My name is Afan or Afan Raj as you call me, and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be all about Savitar prophecy. I will be breaking down Savitar's prophecy into some of my own theories which I have thought and thought of sharing with you. Secondly, at the end of this video I will be sharing some cool flash news, so hang up to that. And one more thing, if you guys have any special request for video, or if you guys want me to make any type of video, just post that idea in the comment section below and I will try my best to make that video. Okay, now that out of face, let's focus on Savitar. So here's what Savitar actually said about his prophecy.
One shall betray you.
One shall betray you. Now I have two candidates that fall perfectly into this statement. The first is Wally West, aka Kid Flash. We all know that he got his powers from the Philosopher's Stone with the help of alchemy, and alchemy himself stated that all the matters created from the Flashpoint will be Savitar's servant.
I shall restore the powers of all the metas from Flashpoint. They will become the servants of Savitar.
So it may be possible that Wally West betrays Team Flash, and there could be any reason for it. Now the second person I have in the list that could betray the Team Flash is Caitlin Snow, aka Killer Frost. We all know that she got her powers from the Flashpoint, and she would do literally anything to get rid of her powers. She even went to her mother. She even contacted Julian, asked for his help, his expertise in metahuman cases, but nothing could help her. And she knows that if the Philosopher's Stone can give her powers, it can take powers too, and she will by all means try her best to get rid of her powers. So we can see this going either way too. She could betray Team Flash in order to get rid of her powers, so this may be possible too. So one shall betray you. I think it is either Wally or Caitlin. I think one of them will betray Team Flash.
One shall fall.
One shall fall. By fall, they usually mean die. So my theory is that Harrison Wells, HR from Earth 19, will use his face-changing device to look like Iris for a short period of time until Savitar kills him. You know, classic scenario of a character feeling like they don't belong, they are not useful, and then they do something to sacrifice themselves to save everyone. And I personally think that Harrison Wells haven't helped the team in a long time, and he haven't gave any contributions to the team. So I think that this might be possible too. Or even if it is not the face-changing capabilities, I personally think that HR from Earth 19 will play a huge role. He will be giving a huge contribution in saving Iris, which will eventually result in him dying. So the other person I think would die is Joe West. As we all know, in the feature headlines it says Joe West honored at Central City Museum. So I think that it is possible that Joe West dies, but I'm not sure for which reason he dies, but there could be any reason. And I think Julian can die too, maybe because he's the new guest star on the season and they maybe want to cut his role, or he ends up paying for his sins. So there is a slight possibility for Julian too. But these are all the candidates I think who will fall, as Savitar's prophecy says.
One will suffer fate far worse than death.
One will suffer fate far worse than death. So there could be a situation for Barry Allen that he could not save Earth 19 HR, and unfortunately Caitlin betrays the team to get rid of her powers with the help of Philosopher's Stone, and Wally betrays the team too by going to Savitar, as we all know that he got his power from Philosopher's Stone, and all the metas who got their power from Philosopher's Stone are actually Savitar's servant. Another possibility could be that Joe. As Iris dies, Barry couldn't save her, and Wally betrays the team by going back to Savitar. So that could be a painful situation too. Or it could be Iris herself too, as Joe West dies and Wally gets stuck in the Speed Force. So these are some situations I have predicted for one shall suffer fate far worse than death, and these were actually my theories. Well, there's some news circulating around the internet and social media that Barry Allen is turning evil because of his red lightning, because his lightning is turning into red. Well guys, that is just to differentiate between Wally, Jesse and Barry Allen's lightning. He is not turning evil guys, so don't think that. And secondly, this is just to clear the confusion. The person you are seeing is Daniel Cudmore. He is the actor who plays Savitar. Well guys, these were some of my theories I thought I should share with you. If you guys have any theories of your own, do post them in the comment section below and let me know. If you guys have any question, do post them in the comment section below too, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, and until then, I'll catch you in the next one.